Hi there, students. Anyway, notice this is one word, not two words. Not any way. Do it any way you can. No. This is one word. And this word I think is quite difficult to use. I think we only use this in spoken English. The first meaning or the first usage of anyway is to mean regardless. In any case, nonetheless. Let me give you some examples which will help you. I knew it was wrong, but I did it anyway. I did it regardless. It was raining, but we had the picnic anyway, despite the rain. It was expensive, but anyway, I bought it. Let's see, this question was really, really hard, but I got it anyway. So, regardless of the previous fact, and I think that's probably the easiest usage of anyway. We can also use anyway to mean but the reality is. We are adding information or explaining the previous statement. So again, examples. Maybe I lost it, maybe it was stolen, but anyway, it's gone. So the most important fact is that it's gone. The question was really, really hard, but anyway, I couldn't do it. So it doesn't matter if it was hard or not, I couldn't do it. Yeah, so you're using it to explain or support a previous statement. Yeah, to add information. I don't know how it started, but anyway, there was a fight. Okay, so we're focusing on the important bit. There was a fight. It's not relevant how it started. The company lost a lot of money. Anyway, it's not my fault. So the most important thing is it's not my fault. It's not that the company lost a lot of money. Okay, we can also use anyway in questions to emphasize that you want to know the reality, what really happened. So how much is this anyway? I could just say, how much is this? But the anyway says, I really want to know. So what time did you get home anyway? Let's get to the point and tell me exactly what happened. Anyway, did you pass or fail your exam? Yeah, that's what I want to know. I don't want any other things. Okay, we can use anyway to add a remark to something you have said. Very often when you have a second or a slightly different thought, and that makes the first statement less important. Don't worry, the examples will make it much clearer. It hasn't rained today. Not yet, anyway. So my first statement, it hasn't rained today. That's great. And then I suddenly think, ooh, but it could start raining, couldn't it? Not yet, anyway. I'm not going to do it. Not today, anyway. So I'm not going to do it sounds very finite. Never ever. And then maybe I realised, but I have to do it. I have no choice. But I'm not going to do it today anyway. I must buy a new car. It's a desperate thing I really need. but I haven't the money anyway. Okay, so it reduces the importance of getting a new car because it's not real. Okay, we can also use anyway to change the subject. Anyway, what you're saying, sorry, let me try that again. What you're saying is very interesting. Anyway, did you see the football last night? I've completely changed the subject. It's very nice to know that your mum is well. Anyway, what time are we going to the pub tomorrow? Okay. We also use anyway to end a conversation. It's been nice to see you. Anyway, I must go now. Anyway, it's been nice talking to you. See you later. That was a good chat. Anyway, I have to get on with my work. So it's a way to say I need to leave now. Okay? To go. So to cut a conversation. Okay, let's see. What about formality? I think this anyway is quite informal. I wouldn't use it in a formal environment, yeah? And I would also suggest that this anyway, you need to use it only when speaking. Anyway, don't use it in formal written English. Okay? So I'm adding to the remark I've made. I'm giving more details. So, let's go over this again. Anyway, in any event, you are late, but anyway, you are here now. So, regardless of you being late, you're here now. The important thing is that you're here now. Regardless, he said no, but I did it anyway. Okay, so despite what he said, meaning at least. I don't like your idea anyway. You may like it, but at least I don't like it. Incidentally, adding something to the conversation or changing the subject. Anyway, how's your mum? Or continuing with what you were saying. Anyway, what was I saying? Anyway, as I said. Okay, so let's go over those again. So, regardless of, it was wrong, but I did it anyway. But the reality is, maybe it's lost, maybe it's stolen, but anyway, I haven't got it. To use it to explain a previous statement or support it. I don't know what happened, but anyway, the money disappeared. Okay, so you're focusing on part of it. With questions to emphasize that you want to know the truth. Anyway, where is he? Okay, to add to a remark that you've made previously when you've had another thought. So, yes, he's never coming back to my house. Not soon, anyway. So the second thought, maybe I'll change my mind and let him come back. To change the subject. Anyway, let's talk about something else. To end the conversation. Anyway, I have to go now. Okay? So, this word anyway is really quite difficult to use, but try to use it anyway. Okay? So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.